this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cephable voice commands, gestures, quick action buttons, and intelligent tasks inside and outside Webex to make the most of your messaging, meetings, and just get things done faster. To start off, I have my voice controls running. They're currently paused. I can use my keyboard shortcut to resume them and just show you some of the basic navigation stuff. So I can jump between any of these different tabs on the left, and I can show you how some of these things work when you're in meetings too. Meetings. Calling, messaging. I'll jump into a quick meeting here. Now in my meeting, I can use other voice commands like toggling my mute and more. Toggle mute, toggle mute, share, raise hand, leave. Now another cool thing we can do is use quick actions from Cephable, where I can jump around between my different actions here with a click of a button. I can also see all of the available app controls in Webex itself, so easier navigation, things like that. I can also switch over to Cephable dictation with a quick keyboard shortcut or by clicking the dictation button and use it to easily respond to messages throughout. Hey, this is Alex. Looking forward to meeting everyone later today and talking about the space and the demos we're going to be running at the booth. Pretty cool that I can use dictation here and I'll get automatic punctuation, proper nouns, grammar, and everything else handled for me automatically. Now, another thing we can do is take things like meeting summaries or transcripts and use them outside of Webex as well. Of course, you can use them in Webex because Cephable Professional can type wherever you could otherwise type. But let's say, for example, I'm going to take a meeting notes about a Webex and Cephable event and use that to write follow-up emails and messages as well as documentation that's needed. So let's go take a look at that. Here I have the meeting summaries that is AI generated from within Webex, and I can take the meeting summary and action items and start using them in other apps in order to take notes in my CRM, send follow-up emails, create documentation, and more using Cephable's intelligent tasks. So I can collapse these other pieces of the panel and look at the generate text, rewrite, and translate that are going to be important here. To get started, let's go ahead and add a note to the CRM for this opportunity project we're working on. So to get started, all I have to do is highlight the text that I'm going to be using. I can go ahead and then copy it, and then I'm going to jump over to the CRM into the notes and add it here. So I've got a project set up for a Webex 1 demo with Cephable, and we're going to add a note. So I can go ahead and click generate, and I'm going to say create a note for the project we are working on with Cisco for Webex 1 and Cephable. Here are the details from the meeting, and then paste it. And now I'm going to go ahead and click generate, and Cephable is going to start typing that up directly into my CRM, taking the content that was summarized by Webex. Great. Now I can save this note, and I'm going to go ahead and use the rewrite feature now to actually turn these meeting summary notes into documentation. So I can do that in any application. I'm going to just pop open a Microsoft Word document, and I'm going to paste the text of the meeting and then tell Cephable to rewrite it into a marketing plan for the event. So I'll say, turn this into a marketing plan for the event with Webex and Cephable. And again, click generate. And now Cephable is going to take this context and start rewriting the summary details into this marketing plan directly into Microsoft Word. But if you're using any other application like Google Docs or any internal apps, Cephable can write there too. You can also take this information and have Cephable type it directly into Webex, whether it's meeting chats, direct messages, group chats, and more. And these are just some of the places to get started. You can do so much more with Cephable Professional and Webex together, from translating content from one meeting to another, taking your transcripts and summaries and turning them into meaningful actions across all the rest of the apps you're using every day, being able to more quickly and easily access parts of Webex using your voice or even camera controls like gestures and expressions, and so much more. So enjoy jumping into using Cephable and Webex together, and find more ways to be productive and just get things done faster throughout your day.